morning from Evesham. Hope you're all alright today. So, hot off the press, a new camera. Woohoo! Went for the Insta360 RS because it's purely got the interchangeable lenses. I really like the spec. And I've hooked it up to a microphone so I can bore you all senseless while I'm riding. It should make for slightly more interesting footage. It's been sunny all morning. I've got the bike out, going to have a little toddle around the Cotswolds, and it starts raining. It's just about typical. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Over to Ulster to meet my friend Shane. Then we're going to head to the Rollright Stones because I believe there's some sort of pagan ritual on today for the Spring Equinox. So that might be interesting. To put on my sage bikini and dance around like a lunatic. Probably not. So, I'm going to head to McDonald's now. I'll see you there. So we just scoffed our McDonald's. It's the first McDonald's I've had since, I can't remember when. Very tasty. We're now on our way to the Rollright Stones. We've decided that we are going to go and have a look, see what it's all about. Spring has clearly sprung. Look at those daffodils. This is Shane in front on his Ninja. Certainly doesn't, no chance of losing him in the dark with that colour. He's leading today, the magical mystery tour with Shane. We might get there, we might not. We'll see. See these sports bikes? They worry about puddles. No such trouble on the Himalayan. Luckily it's dried up quite nicely. A few odd shams about, but nothing too dramatic. She's good. Hello. Yeah. Okay. I have no idea what he said, but I'm sure it all made perfect sense. I'll just follow. Oh, it looks like it's going to be quite busy. I'm sure we'll find somewhere to park. lovely, lovely. Right by the gate, that'll do us nicely. Right, doing about turn. Oh, nimble little bike. I know, it's like our name was on it. Welcome to the Rollright Stones. We're here for the Spring Equinox celebration today. So lots of people here celebrating. There's nice big offering in the centre of the circle. If you haven't read up about this place already, definitely worth reading up about. It's quite an interesting stone circle as they go. Yeah, we'll just take a look around, see what's going on.
Cheers. Chocolate chips. Nice. Thank you very much.
You never bless. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, never bless.
Cheers, man.
go. That was a lovely ritual at the Rollright Stones. I felt quite honoured to be there and be part of that. What a special thing. And they were honouring a chap called Ron. He seemed very well loved. What a lovely send-off it was for him. So we're absolutely frozen to the bone from standing on that windy hill. The Mead did warm us up a little bit, which is nice. So we're just going to try and find a nice warm drink now and thaw out a little bit if we can. Pretty late in the day, and hopefully Koti Autoitalli is going to be open for a nice hot drink and a pee stop, because I think we both need it. I'm not sure what time they shut. Oh, there's people about, so hopefully that's a good sign. Really nice place. This is very retro, nice cup of tea, cake. Worth a visit. So we're homeward bound. A lovely, interesting day it's been. Feel much better for a nice cuppa at Koti Autoitalli. That's very nice. The weather's kind of closing in now. It's raining, so I might have to stop and take this camera off because I think my microphone attachment isn't very waterproof. I don't want to kill it on its first outing. I really hope the new microphone has worked. There's still quite a lot to learn about using it. I find that I say quite a lot. I need to cure that. It's driving myself mad with that. At some point I might do a Q&A session because you guys know nothing about me. There we go again, I'm just saying, as you can gather, none of this is scripted. I've got no idea what I'm really going to say. Hello, people. So yeah, might do a Q&A session, introduce myself a little bit more. So if you've got any questions, put them in the comments. Ask what you like. I might not answer, but ask what you like anyway. So to finish with, I've had some new stickers made this week with my QR code on that links to the Yawning Cat Photo YouTube channel. So if you see me out and about, be sure to give it a scan. And if you come and say hello to me, I might even give you one of my very limited edition stickers. So be sure to come and say hi and get a sticker slapped on you. I'll screenshot that at the end of this video. But I don't think I've said this before. If you've enjoyed today, the ride out on the Himalayan, if you want to see more adventures, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be plenty more of adventures coming up, both on-road and off-road. And click me a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. So this is where we say goodbye to our wonderful adventurer Shane, and we'll see him again soon. Take it easy. See you soon. That's alright. Ride safe. See ya. That's definitely it for today. On my way home, back to Evesham, to warm up, put my jimmy jams on. Just a reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, this is me. Check it out. Goodbye.